Okay, so do we want to start this problem on the left or on the right?
The left!
Yeah, because we want to avoid the
variable.
It's the
unknown.
So we come over here, and we know whenever we're doing these problems, we always want to start in the
parentheses.
Because
When we begin together. Parentheses first, now please be clever.
and in this first one, we have a -9 minus 8. Lizzie, help me out, darling. What do we do when we have a -9 minus 8?
When you have two negatives, you'll get a bigger negative.
When you have two negatives, you'll get a bigger negative. Now,
When you have two negatives, you will get a bigger negative.
it's like saying, I lost 9. But I lost 8. How much did I lose altogether?
17!
Now I lost 17, and that's just a crisis. So I've got a -17. Now here it's a -3 times a -19. What happens when you multiply negative by negative? You get a
Positive!
Randy, what about a negative times a positive?
Negative.
What about a negative times a negative times a negative?
Negative.
What about a negative times a negative times a negative times a negative? What about a positive times a negative times a negative times a negative times a negative times a positive times a negative?
Negative?
Awesome! It's already on!
Wires down!
Drum roll, please. Negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative.
Positive!
That's right, y'all. To my 5th grade class,
Get it!
all right. So now we have a negative times a negative. So you know it's going to be a.
Positive!
But it's 3 times 19. You got to be a super ninja.
Woo!
And break it up. 3 times 19 is really just 3 times 10 plus 9. So do that, then that. Oh, the answer is
57!
awesome, because 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 9 is 27. It is 57. Good job. Now, is it a positive decimal or negative 57? Why?
Because when you multiply two negatives, you get a positive.
Excellent, buddy. Good job. Okay, so now, parentheses first, now please be clever.
Exponents come right next in line.
We're going to multiply
and divide at the same time.
So we don't have any exponents on this side. We just have to multiply. 4 times 8.
32!
Now we finish that. What do we do with the kids together? So now we have to add and subtract. It's just 32 plus -17. It might help you count up. Counting up might help you on this time. And the answer is
15!
good job, Michael. 15. When you have a positive and negative integer, your role is to find and take the And so you say 32 subtract 17. For some reason, y'all, in my head, it's much easier to go from 17 to